Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to find a solution to this problem which is related to trigonometry. We're asked to find the 6 trigonometric ratios of theta given that -2, 5 is a coordinate on the terminal side of the angle theta. Alright, first of all we need to sketch this coordinate. Suppose we have y-axis like this and x-axis like this. Why I draw it like this? Because I realize this is in the second quadrant. So we have -1, -2. And suppose we have 5 here. So the point of intersection between this -2 and 5 is this. So we are going to form a right angle triangle in this second quadrant. And you know, we always have to connect with x-axis, not with y-axis. This is our angle theta. This is right angle. Remember that the length of this side is 5 and the length here is -2. So what about the hypotenuse? We need to find it. According to the Pythagoras, it's stated that hypotenuse squared is equal to what? Opposite squared plus adjacent also squared. Hypotenuse is unknown. We can make it the subject. Hypotenuse will be equal to the square root of, if you take square root of both sides, this power will go. We have 5 squared plus what? -2 squared. 5 squared is 25, -2 squared is 4. 25 plus 4 is 29. Therefore, the hypotenuse will be the square root of 29. So let's just write it here, square root of 29. Then we are asked to find all the 6 trigonometric ratios. Let me start with sine. Sine theta, which is equal to opposite divided by the hypotenuse, is what? The opposite of our angle is 5 and the hypotenuse is this, which is the longest side. So we have 5 divided by the square root of 29. If you like, you can rationalize it. Otherwise, we can leave it like this. They are all the same. If I decide to rationalize it, it is going to become 5 multiplied by root of 29 divided by 29. Right? If you multiply the top and the bottom by square root of 29, you're going to have this. Then its reciprocal, which is cosecant of theta, all you have to do is to flip it. Just take it and flip it. It is going to become square root of 29 divided by 5. We are done with sine and its reciprocal. Let's move to cosine. Cosine of theta is what? Adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. The adjacent is -2. Hypotenuse is square root of 29. So let me even write it. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse, which is -2 divided by the square root of 29. If you like, you rationalize it as -2 times the square root of 29. If you times this by square root of 29, you have square root of 29 squared, which is 29. Right? Then its reciprocal is secant theta. All you have to do is to flip it, right? It becomes negative square root of 29 divided by 2. These are the first 4. Then the last 2, we have tangent. Tangent of theta is what? Opposite divided by the adjacent. Opposite is 5, adjacent is -2. Opposite divided by the adjacent, -5 divided by 2. Or you can take the ratios of sine and cosine. Just take this and divide by this. You're going to obtain -5 divided by 2, definitely. Then its reciprocal, which is cotangent theta, all you have to do is to flip it upside down. It becomes -2 divided by 5. And hence, these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.